children, today we will see what is conversion of measurements. Before that, can you see a drawing that has been drawn by my kid? Okay. So I thought of showing you in this video so that she'll be happy for the same. Thank you all. Now we can see the portion conversion of measurements. Okay. So what is measurement? Measurement is the one in which we are measuring the given thing. It might be a cloth, it might be a uh, any milk or grocery items, all those things. Okay, so we have three units given here: meter, liter and gram. These are the units in which we will be measuring the given things. Okay, meter will be used to measure the clothes, rope, length of the wall, floor, etc. Liter will be used to measure the liquid items like water, milk, oil, all those things. And gram will be used to measure the groceries, gold, silver and all those things. Okay, and now I'm going to just give you a sentence. You have to remember that like a proverb so that you can easily remember the units. Okay, King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Okay, King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. So from this all words you will have to collect the first letters K, H, D, U, D, C, M. Okay. So this K is meant for kilo, H is meant for hectare and D is meant for deca. And from this unusually you will have to take the U as a unit given. D is again for deci and this C is for centi and this M for milli. Okay. So here the units are meter, liter and gram. So when they are moving towards this side, these are the larger units: deca, hectare and kilo. And these side when they move towards the other side, it is smaller: deci, centi and milli. Okay. So in case of meter, when they are moving towards the larger units, they are deca, hectare and kilo. And towards the smaller units, they'll become decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. And in case of liter, when they move towards the larger units, they are decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. And towards the smaller side, they move and they become deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. And in case of gram, as they move towards the larger side, they are considered as decagram, hectagram and kilogram. And towards the smaller unit, they move and become decigram, centigram and milligram. Okay. So here you have to remember 2 points. Okay. First point is divide numbers by 10 if you are getting bigger. Okay. Divide numbers by 10 if you are getting bigger. As you divide, you will be getting the answers. So you will be getting the answers in decimals. Okay, as you divide each thing, then the answers will be in decimals. Okay, I will show here. So from say for example, the unit is meter. Then we are moving toward the larger side. You will have to divide it by 10 in case of deca, 100 in case of hectare and 1000 in case of kilo. Okay, so the answers will be in decimals. Then the second point you have to remember is multiply the given numbers by 10 if you are getting smaller. Okay, you have to multiply the given numbers by 10 if you are getting smaller. So here the answers will be along with the zeros at the end. Okay, so say for example the given unit is meter. Okay, you will have to multiply the same with 10 in case of deci, 100 in case of centi and 1000 in case of milli, so that the answers you get will be added up with the zeros at the end. Okay. Okay, now we will see. So the units are the meter, liter and gram, and the larger units are the deca, hectare and kilo, and the smaller units are the deci, centi and milli. Okay, deci, centi and milli. Okay, so first unit is a meter. So we are converting into decameter. In that case, you will have to divide the given number with 10, so that you will be getting, say for example, here it is given as 1 meter. So you are converting into decameter. Then you have to divide the 1 by 10. So you will get the answer as 0.1 decameter. And in case of hectameter, you will have to divide 1 by 100. So you will be getting the answer as 0.01 hectameter. And when you are converting it to kilo, Then you have to divide the same 1 by 1000. So answer you will get 0.001 kilometer. So these are the larger units, and when we are moving towards a smaller unit, 1 you have to multiply into 10, so that the answer you get for decimeter is 10 decimeter, and in case of centi you will have to multiply by 100, so that the answer you get is 100 centimeter, and in case of millimeter you will have to multiply the given measurement into 1000. So 1 meter will be getting converted into 1000 millimeter. Okay. Now the second unit is the liter. So the liter, you are moving towards the larger units. That time you will have to divide the same way as I said earlier. So it will be getting converted as 0.1 deciliter, 0.01 hectoliter, and 0.001 kiloliter. And towards the smaller units, the meter will be getting converted into 10 deciliter, 100 centiliter, and 1000 milliliter. And the last unit is the gram. And moving towards the larger unit, it will become 0.1 decagram and 0.01 hectagram and 0.001 kilogram. And towards the smaller unit, when you move, the gram will be getting converted into 10 decigram, 100 centigram, and 1000 milligram. Okay. Now I'll just give you a lively example. So the number given is 854 meter, and they are asking you to convert into larger units and smaller units. As you move towards the larger units, you'll have to divide with 10, 100, and 1000. As you divide it with 10, you will get 85.4 decameter. And as you divide it with 100, you will get 8.54 hectometer. And as you divide it with 1000, you will get 0.854 kilometer. And moving to the other side, the smaller units, we have to multiply with 10, 100, and 1000. So 854 meter becomes 8540 decimeter, 85400 centimeter, 854000 millimeter. Okay. Hope you all understood. Thank you.